Okay, to sign out lab time, it's actually fairly easy. Now that you have all of your lab calendars listed on the left-hand side of your Outlook, you can just select the labs calendars that you want to view, and you can view more than one calendar at a time. I'm just going to uncheck these, so I just am really going to try to sign up the high school 1120 lab. So let's say that I want to use it first period on Monday, July 7th. All I'm going to do is I'm just either going to double click in the calendar or hit the new appointment tab. And this dialog box will come up. So first I'm going to type in the period that I want to use it and my last name. And I'm going to change the times here. I'm going to manually change them. So first period starts at 7:55 a.m. and it ends at 8:37 a.m. When you're signing out lab time, never click the all-day calendar event. If you do, it really does not look, it does not appear that the calendar is actually signed out. So this is a no-no, never do that. You also never change the end date. Let's say, for instance, I just wanted to sign it out for Monday the 7th. I would change the date and just hit save and close. If I want to sign it out for every single day of the week, I'm never going to change this date. What I'm going to do is come over here and click on the recurrence tab. In recurrence, I can say, you know what, I want this pattern to recur every day this week, so I'm going to say daily, and then I can choose the end date. So if I want it to end on July 11th, what will happen when I click OK is it set the recurrence, and then I can click save and close, and my event shows up on the calendar for every single day that week. Let's say I decide, you know what, I do need it this week, but we're not finished, and I want to actually add more lab time next week. I can just go in and edit my event by double clicking on it and saying opening the series. The series is the entire series of all 5 events. So I'm going to click OK, and I'm just going to hit recurrence, and I'm going to change that because now I really want it to go until the 18th. But since I really don't need to sign up the lab on weekends, I would just change this from daily to every weekday and click OK and save and close. And now I've got it this week, and when I move to the next week in the calendar, I'm also signed up for next week as well. So please be sure when you're adding events that you're always using the recurrence tab, and you're never changing the end date, and you're never selecting an all-day event. We need you to do specific times and use the recurrence for repeats. Thanks so much. Hope you guys have a great summer.